In this tutorial, we will show you how to create and import purchase orders in Sellercloud. You can make modifications to the general information and scope details of the purchased items at any stage of the PO lifecycle. Sellercloud maintains a record of all changes made to a purchase order, including a comprehensive change history for each product. To create a new purchase order, you can access the Create New Purchase Order page from various paths within Sellercloud. You can navigate through Purchasing and select Create New Purchase Order. Another option is to go to Purchasing and choose Manage POs, followed by clicking the plus icon in the bottom right corner. Lastly, you can visit Purchasing, then click Vendors, Manage Vendors, and select a vendor. Then access the Vendors Toolbox, select Purchase Orders, and click the plus icon. Once you're on the Create New Purchase Order page, you'll need to provide the necessary information. Specify the appropriate company and vendor names for the purchase order. If you have multiple warehouses, you can optionally select the receiving warehouse where the purchased items will be received, but if you don't, the default one will be selected. Indicate the payment terms if applicable, defining the time frame within which the purchase order must be completed. This allows you to set specific payment conditions for your orders. Once you've filled in the relevant details, you can proceed to add products by clicking the arrow. At the second step of the purchase order creation wizard, click Add Products. In the product selection screen, you have a few options for adding products to your purchase order. Select the products you want to add to the purchase order. You can either search for the desired products in the catalog or click the Add New Product option to add a new product. Click Add and close. Once you have selected the products, provide the necessary information, such as ordered quantities, price, and discounts. Alternatively, you can also add products to a purchase order via file upload. Simply click the Upload Products icon located in the upper right corner of the Products panel. Now, let's move on to providing the shipping address for the purchased items. If you have previously saved addresses, you can conveniently select them from the drop-down list to save time. Once you've completed all the required steps, simply click the green flag icon to finalize and save the purchase order. Now, we will explore the option of importing multiple purchase orders at once using the Import Purchase Orders feature. Importing purchase orders can save you time and effort, especially when dealing with a large number of orders. Here's how you can import purchase orders into Sellercloud. Access the Purchasing module, then navigate to Tools and select Import Purchase Info. From the Import Purchase Orders panel, choose the Import Purchase Orders option. To download a sample template, click the download icon located on the Import Purchase Orders panel header. This template will guide you on how to format your data correctly. Complete the columns in the template with the relevant information for your purchase orders. If you want Sellercloud to generate the PO numbers, leave the column PO number empty. Once you're done, save the file. Return to the Import Purchase Orders panel and select the company. Choose the appropriate file by clicking the File Selection button. If you have an individually customized plugin for import, you can select it for use. Contact our support team to request this plugin if necessary. If you want the system to apply numbering to the newly added purchase orders, select the Create New PO Numbers checkbox. Additionally, you can mark the newly added orders as credit memos by selecting the Create as Credit Memo checkbox. Finally, click the Import button to initiate the import process. The import will be submitted to the queue job for processing. Once the import is completed, the new purchase orders will appear on the Manage POs page. You have successfully imported multiple purchase orders using the Import Purchase Orders feature. This allows you to streamline your order management process and efficiently handle a large volume of orders. That's it. Thanks for watching.